Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious enchilada pie. We'll start by gathering our ingredients, including corn tortillas, ground meat, enchilada sauce, and cheese. Then, I'll guide you through preparing a savory filling, assembling the layers in a baking dish, and finally, baking it to golden perfection. This recipe is perfect for a family meal, offering a comforting and satisfying dish with minimal fuss. Let's get cooking. First, let's prepare our flavorful filling. You'll want to brown 1 pound of ground beef or chicken in a large skillet over medium heat. Once cooked through, make sure to drain any excess fat to keep your pie from being greasy. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and a ½ teaspoon of garlic powder. Cook for another minute until fragrant, ensuring the spices are well incorporated into the meat. This aromatic mixture forms the heart of our enchilada pie. Now, let's assemble our enchilada pie in a 9x13-inch baking dish. Begin by spreading 1 cup of your favorite enchilada sauce evenly across the bottom. Next, arrange 6 corn tortillas over the sauce, overlapping them slightly to create a solid base. Then, spoon half of your seasoned meat mixture over the tortillas, followed by 1 cup of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese. Repeat these layers once more, finishing with a generous layer of cheese on top. This layering creates a beautiful, hearty pie. Finally, it's time to bake our delicious enchilada pie. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the baking dish in the preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and lightly golden brown. Once baked, remove the pie from the oven and let it rest for about 10 minutes. This resting period allows the layers to set, making it much easier to slice and serve. Enjoy your homemade, comforting enchilada pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.